Kashmiri Tamatar Paneer or Tamatar Chaman stands out as a popular vegetarian dish amidst the huge spread of meat-based dishes which Kashmiri Wazwan is known for. Tamatar Chaman has a rich taste and exotic flavors which make this cuisine stand out in the lot. To make this yummy recipe at home, take a look at this easy recipe. Boil 1 liter of water in a vessel and add a teaspoon of turmeric to it. Take 1 kg of paneer or cottage cheese cut in bigger chunks and boil the paneer pieces in the turmeric water for 2 to 3 minutes. Now take 1 kg of tomatoes and put them in a blender jar. Add 8 to 10 garlic cloves and blend the tomatoes. And now strain them to get a smooth puree. Discard the leftover skin and seeds. Meanwhile, the cottage cheese is ready to be taken out from the turmeric water. Take some oil in a pan for frying and fry the cottage cheese pieces till they are golden brown. Take out all the pieces once they are deeply fried. Now in a pan I have taken half a cup of oil and 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, and to this I will add the tomato puree. Keep the flame high. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder or badian. These are some of the whole spices that are to be added in this tomato puree. An inch long cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 2 cloves, now add salt to taste. As the oil starts leaving, it's time to add the paneer cubes. Once all the paneer has been added to the puree, we will add mutton stock. I have added here half a liter of mutton stock to this, and now I'm adding fried shallot paste You can also substitute this with fried onion paste. Allow this gravy to boil till it reduces, and finally add 1 teaspoon of zira, cumin seeds, to this prior to serving, and sprinkle some coriander, fresh coriander leaves, and the tomato paneer is done. Do subscribe to my channel if you like this content and press the bell icon for more updates. Please put your valuable feedback in the comment section below and don't forget to share this channel with your friends and family. Stay tuned to Make It Easy Kashmir for more exciting recipes.